Hey YouTube, today I wanted to do a video on KVM switches. Now I was out yard sailing actually, and I found a nice Trendnet 2-computer KVM switch. I was very lucky to find it, only 10 bucks Canadian. Again, it's about 50 cents US. And I use one of these things downstairs. I actually have a 4-computer system KVM switch downstairs, and I'm very happy with it. The same model type, but this is a 2-computer. So let's rip into it, and I'll tell you a little bit about it as we go. Now, again, if you have 2 computers and you're using the same monitor between them, this, actually 2 or more, this is the best way. You press a button and you flip between them. Keyboard, mouse, and video. All of those things. So, it's very handy for any tech guy that has multiple computers. Or let's say you have, in my case, my own personal system that I use for my own reasons, and my dedicated backup system that I only do backups and I only work with people's computers on. So, let's open this stuff up, see what we got on the inside, shall we? CD I don't need. Instructions I don't need. Here's a cute little thing. Oh, look how cute. Look how cute. KVM switch. So small. So yeah, there's 2 buttons on there. You press between 1 and 2. At the very bottom here, we get our cables. Now we'll get 2 of these cables, and these 2 cables will plug into the USB and the video on the computer. And yeah, through that we will get our connection. So you plug these 2 cables into both your computers that go to the KVM switch, and then you plug in the mouse and keyboard you want and the monitor you want into the KVM switch, and away you go. Really though, super awesome, super practical, super great. That's what you have to plug in on both sides. So let me get that done. Be right back. So here I have her all set up, good to go. Got the 2 systems. This KVM switch right now. I'm on my Savior system, the system that I use to back up and fix other people's systems. I press 1, and that'll flip me right over to the other system, my personal system, that is now waking up from. It's now waking up from updates. It's been a while since I've been on these systems, so they're running a little bit slow. But yeah, same mouse, same keyboard, KVM. Keyboard, video, mouse. There's the mouse. There's the keyboard. And yeah, so that's the KVM YouTube. Definitely recommend getting one of these if you have multiple systems to work with and you only want to use one monitor. There's other alternatives you can use if you want to use 2 computers and 2 monitors. If you have the plugs available, the power available, you can use an app called Synergy, and I'll be doing a piece on that app soon. But there's an app called Synergy that you can get where over your network you can use the same mouse and keyboard. It's very helpful. Very helpful. So yeah, nice to be able to switch between computers. It'll save you a lot of time, it'll save you a lot of hassle and headache. Man, those are some big updates. No, I had it on full screen before. Guess I gotta do another reboot. Maybe it'll catch up here in a second. But KVM, very good stuff. If you like my stuff, like, subscribe, make you a better human being. Put hair on your chest and muscles on your muscles. Have a good one.